Well, more free money for everybody. When are they going to audit the Fed? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, August the 27th. Yeah, what a wild day. I'm exhausted already. Crazy. I mean, after Powell's speech was released, I don't even know what it said, but I know that it's about free money, okay? And just remember, free money ain't free. We're paying for it, okay? So it's a bunch of crap, and I'm tired of it already. But anyways, so markets exploded and went straight up. Every market, bonds, euro currency, S&P, NASDAQ, all of them spiked. Major blow-offs. So if you're in my day trading class, you had a bonanza today if you knew what you were doing. And again, that was the pattern, and the markets immediately turned around. Now they're starting to move up again, but they're not, going crazy. In fact, it's interesting because the Dow is the strongest today after being the weakest, and the Russell is positive. But the bottom line is, obviously we're still long them all. That has not changed. But the rotation here and what's going on, this does not look good. Okay. Now again, we're not predicting a top. I will say this, and I will almost guarantee it. Okay, there's going to be a pretty healthy sell-off in the next couple of days. It could be today, it could be this afternoon. But I'm just saying. What I'm saying is that the trend will probably not be broken. We'll still be long, but I would expect, let's say a 500 to 1,000 point down day within the next couple of days. We just can't go up at these rates. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so we'll see. Again, we're not doing anything. We're staying long, and that'll be the way that it goes. Again, there's no reason to get in front of it. And of course, the bond markets, based on the Federal Reserve, they're getting clobbered. Okay, which is kind of backwards, right? Because if they're getting clobbered, that means interest rates are on the rise. So there's a lot of quirky things, but bonds and notes are getting hammered. The metals are down pretty good. And it was amazing because gold was up. It was down about 11, and it rallied to be up about 36 or 37, whatever it was. Then it collapsed, was down 30. And right now, last look is down about 16. Okay. Silver turned completely reversed and got crushed. We're still short gold and silver. We're still long platinum, which is now lower on the day. Natural gas is higher. We're long natural gas. Copper's a little bit higher. We're long copper. The dollar's not positive. It was lower. It's been all over the place, like everything else. But again, it came down to that 92-ish level and popped. No surprise, right? 92, 94. Watch it. That will give you the best indication of what it's going to do going forward. So you got to remember just to watch certain things, just certain levels. Again, our stuff is pre-done and automatic, but if you're watching certain levels, it will give you a much better handle of what should happen at certain times, no matter what the overall trend is. So you want to be prepared. That's what we're looking for. Grain markets are soaring. All right, soybeans up about 20 cents, wheat's up a bunch, and corn's up another 3 or 4 cents. As we said, we love the grains down here, and nobody can understand why, but why not? The price action warrants good trade, so why not? And the meats are, hogs are basically slightly up, okay, or slightly down. Depending on when you get this. Cattle's under a little pressure, and of course, we did reverse feeders in our short. I'm going to say that if we stay down here, the fats will reverse tomorrow, and we'll be short going forward from there. Again, I can't say that the day's not over, so I cannot give you that answer, but I can give you one good piece of advice, okay? When you're trading, whether you're day trading or you're carrying a portfolio, especially if you have a portfolio and you're not planning on selling, do yourself a favor and don't watch these markets minute to minute and day by day, because you're going to be forced to make an emotional decision. Never good. Okay. In the meantime, family farms, new partners, really nice people, love them. Can't wait to actually get out in the road with them a little bit. But again, we're going to introduce them in a webinar, and we're also going to start to do some things with them going forward. So we're in great shape, and they're really good, solid people. And again, everybody in their group, when I went to Nebraska, they're all good, solid people. So again, we're looking forward to building that relationship and sharing it with everybody here. Our brokerage partners, again, I have other brokerage accounts, disclosure, but my favorites and the ones I use the most CTG for futures and commodities. They are the only authorized dealer of our letter of direction trading, and they are as good as it gets, and they take care of you. And the best thing is, you got a question or a problem, geez, they answer the phone. You don't have to never go to voicemail. And for equities and options, trade here. They do a great job. They've got a couple of great platforms. Okay, but again, $10 a month. We tie into their API. We're going to be fully automated by January of 2021. We are going to be my products will be 100% fully automated. Very little maintenance that you will have to take care of. There'll be a couple things that I will not automate, but basically 100%, almost 100% automation, $10 a month. Why would you not want to be a trader? Again, but it's always up to you. I'm just saying. And of course, if you want any brokerage information, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com and I'll send it right over to you. And of course, the commodity report, Andy, first of all, is on fire. But he happens to be a great writer. He was a great trader, but he's still a great trader, but he was a great trader worldwide. He was a big commodities trader. Okay. He was a big silver trader, one of the biggest in the world. And again, he's traveled worldwide. So he's here, partners with us in writing his commodity report. And again, if you're in this commodity space or you like those ETFs or whatever, if you're not reading his stuff, you're making a big mistake. In the meantime, go to BUBBA'S.com. You can check it out. It's called Technomental. And right now, it's $100 a month or $800 a year. But I got news for you. The price will be going up shortly. So if you have an interest, you want to check it out, please do. If not, hey, we tried. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy. And again, it's really wild. Just be careful and know where you're getting out. That's the biggest thing I can give you is if you're trading or trying to trade actively, just know where your exit is and you'll be fine. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.